Hello, this is Chewster.
And we are wondering, who is your favorite character and what is your favorite episode? Comment or message us, and just comment.
We just want to know.
Yeah, we just want to know.
So that person could be in more often if it is more often.
Yes.
Okay,
It's taking a vote. So whoever says Shelby, say Shelby. Whoever says Emma, say Emma.
Hello.
Or say whoever says Cameron, say Cameron.
I'm Emma.
Shelby, Cameron. What's up, man? Peace. See ya.
Thank you.
This is Chewster signing off.
Don't forget about me.
Oh, and have a nice day.